Hello everyone, myself Arun Ramesh Kumar and my today's topic is from Core Java, which is wrapper classes. So let's start it. Wrapper classes in Java. In Java, primitive data types like int, char and float are simple and efficient for basic data storage, but they lack the flexibility to work with objects and perform certain operations. To bridge this gap between primitive types and objects, Java provides a set of wrapper classes. Wrapper classes are a group of classes that encapsulate primitive data types, allowing them to be treated as objects. In this video, we'll explore the concept of wrapper classes in Java. We'll discuss why and when. We'll discuss why and when you should use wrapper classes, how to create instance of wrapper classes, and the various methods they provide for converting between primitive types and objects. Understanding wrapper classes is crucial for working with collections, generics, and other than Java features that require objects instead of primitives. So, what is wrapper classes in Java? Wrapper classes in Java is a class that wraps around primitive data type and converts it into an object. Wrapper classes provides a way to treat primitive data types such as int or double as objects. This allows you to use the primitive data types in places where only objects are accepted, such as in collections. The eight primitive data type is boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, and float, and also double. In Java are not objects, but the wrapper classes boolean, character, byte, short, are each wrapper classes in Java has a constructor that takes a single argument of the corresponding primitive data type. Why need of wrapper classes in Java? Okay, so wrapper classes in Java are used to wrap primitive data types in an object. This necessary because in Java everything is an object, and objects are required in certain situations, such as when a method requires an object as a parameter, or when you need to store manipulate values in a single structure like a array list or hash map. Each primitive data type has a corresponding wrapper classes. Integer for int, character for char, boolean for boolean, etc. Wrapper classes provides useful methods for converting primitive values to and form strings, comparing values and performing other operations. For example, the integer classes has a static method called parset that can be used to convert a string representation of an integer into an int value, and the string method can be used to convert an int value into a string. This can be particularly useful when reading data from a file or user input. In conclusion, the wrapper classes in Java serves a crucial purpose in providing a way to represent primitive data types as objects. They offer a convenient way to perform various operations on primitive values, and also provide a way store null values, and use primitive data types in collection. So that's all about my today's topic. Thank you.